I'm Tom Gardner. I'm the president of Creek Companies. We build pallets and we help to shape people's lives. Striving to honor God in all we do, helping develop people, pursuing excellence while growing profitably.
That's more important than the bottom line is, how are we impacting God's kingdom through this business?
They do exactly what they say they're going to do. They're looking for excellence and striving to better people that work here.
Growing profitably. Without profit, we can't increase wages and pay our people better.
We still want to be productive, but we also want people to develop into what they're more capable of.
It's just a really good environment.
These guys are like family.
Everybody's welcome. Nobody is perfect. Anything is possible.
No matter what you've done before you come here, you're still going to be welcome here. Everybody gets an opportunity.
Everybody's striving to be better than what they are when they walk through the door.
Well, I've seen it. I mean, there's not a person here that's judgmental about other people.
Better yourself if you want to.
You give everybody a fair shot.
Obviously, you don't have to be a Christian to work here, but we are not bashful about our faith. Our core values are based off biblical principles.
Honesty, integrity, I see that day in and day out.
We're in the pallet business, but our main goal is to build people.
They're just more concerned about their employees' welfare than they are making money. I think we go above and beyond, making sure that the customers are satisfied and that we're meeting their needs.
We do everything in our power to get them what they need, when they need it, and as fast as they need it.
We care about you. We want your situation to be better. That's really the bottom line.
Clean, serviceable, reliable pallets.
There is no limit to what we can do.
Our culture is based on family, and it's built based on building, reusing, taking whatever God gives us and making the best use of whatever it is that we have.